Hi, my dear first class children. Good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of addition up to 20. Addition up to 20. What do you mean by addition? Putting together two or more numbers. The result of addition is called total. Addition. A D D I D I O N. We are going to putting together two or more numbers or two or more things. Okay? Plus C symbol for addition. This is read as plus. Plus C symbol for addition. The result of addition is called total. T-O-T-A-L, total. Okay? Addition. Put together two or more numbers. Okay? And plus C symbol for addition. Total. The result of addition is called total. Okay? Next one. Addition facts. Addition facts. That means rules in the addition. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. Actually here 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. See. 0 plus 3. Yes, 0 means nothing. That is empty place. That's why 0 plus 3, the answer goes to 3 only. 0 plus 9. The answer goes to 9 only. 12 plus 0. The total is 12 only. Why? 0 means empty. Nothing is there. That's why number plus 0, same number. 18 plus 0. 18. Okay? 1 digit number or 2 digit number, any number adding to 0, we get the same number. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 9, 9. 12 plus 0, 12. 18 plus 0, 18. We add 0 to a number, we get the same number. Same number means the given number only comes in the total place. Okay? Next one. We add 1 to a number, we get the next number of the given number. The total goes to after number. See, 1 plus 4. What is the answer? Very easy. You have to remember in the mind. 4 after 5. Here you have to perfect in after numbers. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. That means addition means counting forward. Counting forward. Okay? Next one. 1 plus 9. Very good. 9 after 10. We add 1 to a number. The next number of the given number. Here given number is 9. 9 after 10. 13 plus 1. We add 1 to 13. Then 13 after 14. Then 13 after 14. 19 plus 1. What comes after 19? 20. Very good. You learn after numbers in the second chapter. Numbers up to 20. Before numbers, after numbers, between numbers. Isn't it? The concept we are going to use in here. 1 is added to number or number is added to 1. We write the next number of the given number. Understood? Next one. This is, we add any two numbers. See. I am going to take 2 and 3 and 3 and 2. 2 and 3. See, here 2 bars, here 3 bars. Here 3 plus 2. Here 3 bars, here 2 bars. See, 2 bars, 3 bars. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 bars, 2 bars. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get both 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. That means we add any two numbers in any order, we get the same total. 2 ni 3 తో యాడ్ చేసినా 3 ని 2 తో యాడ్ చేసినా ఆన్సర్ ఒకటే వస్తుంది. ఓకే, these are the rules in addition. These are the rules in addition. Now next, first we have to count the number 1, 2, 3, 3. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. Now count these things 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Then find the total. How do you get total? We putting together given two numbers, or we count together given objects. Okay, here objects are there, then we are going to count together. That means how many we get. Otherwise we count numbers. Okay, here pictures are there, we are going to count pictures together. 1, 2, 3. Continue. 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 1, 2, 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Total leaves 7. 7 is called total. 7 is called total. Another one. See, lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lollipops. What are these? Lollipops. Do you like lollipops? Yes. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write number 4. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. Plus means we are going to putting together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write number 4. Now the addition is 4 plus 4. Now the addition is 4 plus 4. Now count all the given objects together. Count total number of lollipops. Here 4 lollipops are there. There also 4 are there. We are going to combine 4 and 4. Count together. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count continuously. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Total lollipops are 8. Total lollipops are 8. This exercise already we done in our textbook. I show you once. You see that. Exercise 3A. See. Yes. Bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 5. Again. Next one. Ants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ants. Number 5. 1, 2. Number 2. Addition is 5 plus 2. Count total ants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 here. Next one. Honey bees. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. This is addition fact. 3 plus 4. Count all the bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number of bees equal to 7. Next one, butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 butterflies. That's why write number 6. 1, 2. Number 2. Addition goes to 6 plus 2. Now count all the butterflies. That means find the total butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Here pictures are given. Here we are going to counting together the given pictures. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds on the first stem. How many birds in the second stem? 1, 2, 3. The addition goes to 6 plus 3. How do you get the total? We count all the birds. That means total number of birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. continuously. 7, 8, 9. That means 6 plus 3 equal to 9. This exercise we all are completed in our textbook. Yes or no? Are you completed? Very good. Next, addition using number line. Next one goes to addition using number line. Before going to that, we are going to practice addition, vertical addition of two one-digit numbers. Vertical addition. Vertical addition of two one-digit numbers. What are one-digit numbers, Nana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 is the smallest one-digit number. 9 is the greatest one-digit number. Okay, these are one-digit numbers. Here we are going to take two one-digit numbers. Any two one-digit numbers. See how to write vertical addition. Vertical addition means we arrange the numbers one below the other. See, look at the examples. 3 and 4. Put the symbol plus. 3 is one-digit number. 4 also one-digit number. That means adding ones. One-digit means ones. Vertical addition means we write the numbers one below the other in standing line position. Standing line means like this. Okay. Now 3 plus 4. Take first number in the hand. That means take 3 fingers. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Now second number is 4. Count after 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7. What is the total? 7. Here we are going to combine 3 and 4. 3 and 4 make 7. Once again, take 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Count after 4. 4 after. Say one number and close one finger. Okay? 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 is total. Can I show another one? Okay. 2 plus 5. What are the numbers given? One-digit numbers. That's why adding ones. See, first number is 2. Second number is 5. Symbol is plus. 2 plus 5. We are going to putting together. That is called addition. Here we find out total. Total. Ready na? Come on, do process. What is the first number? 2. Take 2 fingers. 1, 2. Start counting. 5 after. Second number is 5. That's why count after 5. 5 after 6. 7. 7 is total. 7 is total. Another one. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. Two one-digit numbers. Two one-digit numbers. Plus C symbol for addition. This is going to vertical addition of two one-digit numbers. First number is 4. You take 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready na? Second number is 5. Start counting 5 after. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 4 plus 5. What is the total? 9. This is addition. Yes, vertical addition of two one-digit numbers. Can I show you one more? Okay. You have to practice, Mama. If you are practice, you get perfection. Practice means do, yes, sums repeatedly. Ready na? 3 plus 5. What are the numbers given? 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 vertical addition. Vertical addition means you write the two numbers one below the other standing line. Come on, take 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Write number 8. This is total. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Another one. 5 plus 5. Both are same numbers. 5 plus 5. Come on. 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, take. Now start counting. After 5. Second number also 5, no? That's why we start counting after 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. First 2-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number. 10 is a first 2-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number. Okay, this is going to vertical addition. Vertical addition we doing using our fingers. We counting with our fingers. Okay, next one. Next one, addition using number line. Addition using number line. Already we learned number line, how to draw number line in first chapter. Yes or no? Addition using number line. How to draw number line already we learned in the first chapter. Yes or no? Yes. What is the number line? Number line is a straight line. That means long sleeping line. It must be straight. Put arrow marks both sides. That means yes. The number line starts with which number? The very smallest number in one digit. That is going to 0. Yes or no? And numbers are marked at equal gaps. We write the numbers in order. 0 after 1. 1 after 2. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. 4 after 5. 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9. 9 after 10. This is the number line, a straight line on which numbers are at equal gaps and starts from the smallest number 0. We write the numbers in order. They are going to increasing on the right side. See, 0 after 1, 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7, 7 after 8, 8 after 9, 9 after 10. This is the number line 0 to 10. What is it? Number line. Number line is a straight line on which numbers are marked with equal gaps. We write in order. In order means 0 to 10. How to do addition on the number line? Or you know the number line? Yes. Already we learned in the second chapter how to draw the number line. Straight line, sweeping line. Put both sides arrow marks. The smallest number start with 0. Now write next after numbers. 0 to 10. 1, 2, 3. The numbers are marked in order. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now how to do addition in a number line? Let us add two numbers on a number line. Example goes to 5 plus 2. The given addition is 5 plus 2. First number is 5. Second number is 2. How to find the total on the number line? What is the first number? 5. Start from 0. 0 to count 5. Where is 5? Go 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Yes or no? Now you have to mark like this. You have to mark like this. 5 places to the right. From 0 to moving 5 places to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5. You have to draw like this. This is going to 5 on the number line. Next plus 2. Next plus 2. Plus 2 means next it moves continuously 2 places. 2 here given number is 2. That's why it moves 2 places to the right. See, from 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. Again you mark like this. See, from 5 to 2 places. 1, 2. Again you mark like this. Now the answer is 7. First step goes to 0 to 5. Second step plus 2 means again take 2 more steps. Again take 2 more steps from 5 to 2 steps means 1, 2. That goes to 7. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. This is 5. This is 2. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Addition using number line. Addition using number line. This is the number line. Number line, draw with a straight line, mark the numbers in order and with equal gaps. Each number increased by 1 to the right side. That means the number line starts from 0 and end with here I can draw 0 to 10. Okay? Understood? Another addition. Again draw the number line and do addition on the number line. Can I give you one more? Okay. That is going to 5 plus 5. Sorry, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. Given addition is 4 plus 5. What is the first number? We are going to do addition on the number line. What is the first number? 4. Start from 0. 0 to take 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to draw 0 to 4 like this. This shows 4. Next 5. Then take 5 steps after 4. 5 steps means 4 after 5. 1, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 steps means we get 9. We stop at 9. See. 4 after 5. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps. Again you can draw like this. That means 4 plus 5 equal to 9. We can stop at 9. The answer is 9. This is going to addition 4 plus 5 on the number line. First number is 4. That's why we start moves from 0 to 4. Again continuation 5. Again moves 5 steps more. 5 steps means 4 to 5 1 step. 5 to 6 2 steps. 6 to 7 3. 7 to 8 4. 8 to 9 5. That means 4 plus 5. The answer we get 9. Understood? Next number. Addition on number line. Addition on number line in one digit numbers. One digit numbers. One more. 3 plus 5 equal to how much? Find the total using number line. Draw number line with a straight line. Put arrow marks both sides. Starting number is 0 and write the numbers with equal gaps 0 to 10. This is called number line. This is called number line from 0 to 10. Are you understood how to draw number line? Yes. Draw a straight line. Put arrow marks both sides. Starting number is 0. The smallest number. Number line start with the smallest number 0. Now write next numbers after numbers. Addition means counting forward. That's why on the number line we are going to take steps forward. Okay? See, given addition is 3 plus 5. What is the first number? 3. From where we can start? From 0. How many steps we can take? 3 steps. See. 1, 2, 3. Mark like this. 1, 2, 3. Here is 3. Mark like this. Now next 5. Now you take from 3 to 5 more steps. 5 more steps. Go to forward 5 number. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We stop at 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Today 3 to 4, 1, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Again mark like this. Now the answer is 8. 3 plus 5, 8. First take 3 steps, then go to move forward 5 steps. So 5 steps means 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. This is going to addition on number line. Addition on number line. Are you understood? Okay. Next one. Addition using number line. One more problem. See how to draw number line. It must be straight. Put arrow marks. Which number? Number line start with the smallest number 0. Yes, we write the numbers with equal gaps in order. 0 after 1, 2, 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7, 7 after 8, 8 after 9, 9 after 10. This is going to number line from 0 to 10. Now I give you addition 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. Starting number is 0. Start from 0. What is the first number? 4. Where is 4 on the number line? Here. That means we move from 0 to 4. We draw a line from 0 to 4. This is shows 4. Next number also 4. Then go to forward 4 numbers after 4. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where should you stop? At 8. 4 to 8. This is going to second step. Then answer is 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. This is addition using number line. Addition using number line. This is the number line from 0 to 10. Given addition is 4 plus 4. First number is 4. First take a step 0 to 4. Next number also 4. Next count next 4 numbers after 4. 4 after? Yes, 4 numbers. 4 after 5, 1. 5 after 6, 2. 6 after 7, 3. 7 after 8, 4 steps. That means we mark from 4 to 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Next one. Number combination. Number combination. C-O-M-B-I-N-A-T-I-O-N-S. Number combination. We get the same number. See, combination of 1. How do you get 1 with 2 numbers? Yes, combination of 1. Ready now? Come on. 1 plus 0. 1. 1 bar. Here, empty place. How many bars? 1 only. 1 plus 0. 1. 0 plus 1. 1. Next combination goes to 0 plus 1. 1. Here empty. Here 1 bar is there. The answer goes to 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. This is the combination of 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Come on, say. Combination of 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Here we are going to take 2 numbers. What are those? 1 and 0. 0 and 1. 1 and 0 make 1. 0 and 1 make 1. Combination of 1. Next, combination of 2. How do you get 2? With 2 numbers. Ready now? Combination of 2. 2 plus 0. 2. 2 plus 0. 2. 1 plus 1. 2. 1 plus 1. 2. 0 plus 2. 2. This is the combination of 2. 2 chocolates, no chocolates. Then 2 chocolates only. 1 chocolate and 1 chocolate, 2 chocolates. No chocolates, 2 chocolates, 2 chocolates. This is going to combination of 2. How do you get 2 with 2 numbers? 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 2, 2. Okay? Again, 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 2, 2. Next one, combination of 3. How do you get 3 with 2 numbers? Very good. 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 0 plus 3, 3. This is the combination of number 3. Combination of number 3. 3 chocolates, no chocolates. 3 chocolates. 2 chocolates and 1 chocolate, 3 chocolates. 1 chocolate and 2 chocolates make 3. 0 plus 3, no chocolates, 3 chocolates, 3. This is the combination of 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 0 plus 3, 3. This is the number combination of 1, number combination of 2, combination of 3. Okay? Next, continuation. In the next class, we are going to continue in the next class. In this class, we have to practice addition, vertical addition of 1-digit numbers. Okay? Do in your homework book. I send you notes through WhatsApp. You open your WhatsApp and take your mummy's help and write